Welcome to YouTube channel. Beat English. A journey from land to sky. Opinion essay. Agree or disagree. Common question words. Do you agree or disagree? To what extent do you agree or disagree? What is your opinion? IELTS essay structure for this type. Introduction paragraph 1. General sentence. Paraphrase the statement. Thesis. Express your viewpoint. Main body paragraph 2.
Argument, topic sentence.
Explanation. Elaborate the topic.
Example.
Main body paragraph 3. Argument, topic sentence. Explanation. Elaborate the topic. Example. Conclusion paragraph 4. Paraphrase thesis. Summarize main idea. Recommendation, your opinion.
Sample essay.
Some people think watching TV is bad for children. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Watching TV has become an integral part of children's routine of life. It is argued /said claimed by some people that television have a lot of negative harmful effect on development of child. I agree with the opinion because I believe bad content of TV cause bad habits and health of child. 2. Firstly, content of television can affect on the manners of children. In other words, it means there is a lot of programs shown on television based on vulgarity, offensive behavior, and abusive language, which can directly influence moral values of child in negative way. For example, for instance, exemplify. It has been proved in recent research that conducted in USA that 70% of child involved in criminal activities by the inspiration of criminal series of television. 3. Argument plus explanation plus example, same as paragraph 2. 4. In conclusion, it can be summarized said that undoubtedly television has a lot of drawbacks disadvantages for grooming, learning ability, and moral values of child. However, children should be encouraged to participate in physical-based activities to learn confidence and practical skills of life.
Home task.
Some people think online shopping has a lot of benefits for the people of modern age. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share my channel. Beat English.